Not so much when you're having fun. However, as long as you keep busy. Alright, I do want to do something with those just to give it a little bit more extra. I just grabbed the orange wedge. You know, when you bite into it, the juice shot down my throat. Let's see if I got Steve's number. Hold on a minute, guys. So we have these on here. They're done. Now this is ready to flip up on its all fours, or whatever you want to call them. But it's going to be upright. 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 Move you over here. What's going to be the easiest way? Well, the easiest way is to first look. Okay, we do have something tied here, so that wasn't going to be very good. So let's double check our ties. I don't want to break anything for not looking. All right. Now I think we're all set. You notice I said think? All right, now I can get my paws on something here. Whoa, all kinds of shit's falling around. Okay, I want to lift this up and get this back up under there a little bit. So at least we're sitting even. Even enough. That's actually, well, it could be better. I want it to fall in. Fall in! Okay, I think we're all set. Yeah, okay. Alright, guys! Let's get this out of the way. We don't want anything in the way that's going to break something or jam up something. Let's get this line out of the way. The line. Put the line on the coconut. See, I could put those on relatively easy. Now, why is this like that? Huh? Come on. I'm gonna have to change those out. I am. Did I find out right there? There it is. Now, if I can find out what size it is, I may be all right. Oh man, gonna be a pain in the ass. They're all rusted up in there. I had them off once, and I said I was gonna change, but everything went back, and I figured okay, but apparently it didn't change. All right, so now I can drop the battery in there, but first I want to blow it out. Blow it. I like to blow it up, but we'll start by blowing it out. Now, where's the good one? I have two of them here. I want to get better with this one. good thing the black is just black. It did get a little scratched up, even though I had it on rubber. We got rubber wear. Rubber wear. Hello, boys and girls. If you are looking for a new cookware, try the rubberware. You can cook it, you can wear it. Oh boy, nothing like rubberware. What the hell is that thing? It can't be. Let me go to the other side. I don't believe it. Is it? Okay. Oh, okay. I thought the company went nuts. I thought they finally flipped. This is not a good idea either. Too many wires in the battery box. They're not my wires. Nothing that I did. I'm just trying to correct things that I see that make life easier. Those wires should not have come out that way. They got wires coming out of for the motors, for the drive wheels. Because they're in the battery box, they got them coming out the side where the battery sits, which means that there's a strong possibility that they can get chafed against the box, which is ground, where they should have come out the side. Now, if I had noticed that, I would have fixed it, but I'm not going to bother now. I'm done repairing their screw-ups. I think I made it easy enough for just about anybody who wants to work on it can work on it. Now, we are missing a wire. Where? I don't know. Not this one. I'm missing a red wire. I cut it off right there. Why did I cut it? And I cut it at an angle. That almost indicates to me that I cut two of them. And I cut them on an angle so that I couldn't mix them up. But I don't see it anywhere. Those two go in. Where's this one go? That goes up there. That might go to the top. All right, let's get the battery in. Turn around, something else is falling apart. Okay, anyway, battery's in. I got this fuse here. I got this connected. We got the switch off. We're all set there. I don't know what this wire's for. I think it goes to the top. I just don't know why I cut it on an angle. I cut things on angles to identify them, so the other one will fit it. Now I may have just done it because that's what I normally do, but I normally, well, I can't say what I normally do because normally if there's two wires I have to cut, I'll cut one of them on an angle to identify the two. But there's only one there. So did I just cut it on an angle just in case? Possibility. Alright, now I got to think about what I want to do with this, and I think I can do it. This is the main reservoir for the water to run the bilge pumps. That little reservoir over there is for the squirter. I have a little thing here that I hooked up that will go up here because there's a little shelf in here on the top that goes here with a little bit bigger hose naturally, so you can fill it, a funnel rather, so you can fill it. But I was just thinking, I can probably just run a siphon hose or a filling hose off of this, and it'll just keep that thing filled as long as this is full, and I won't overfill it because they're about the same height. Now the other thing I was just thinking about, that this appears to have a broken hose. Okay. Oh, that's got to be an airline. That's got to be an air hose. So where does this hose go? That's what I want to know. I have no idea. Oh, that goes to this. Okay. All right. So that's not a fill hose, but it can be. That is a pump to squirt water out of that. This turns on the pump. Right now everything's turned off, but this turns on the pump. So if that pump will pump water out of the squirter up front, it will also pump water into that. I gotta see what the remote has on it. The remote. Yeah, I think I can do that. I think I can use it so that pump will both fill that and squirt. Yeah, we're gonna try it, but not right now. Right now I got other things I gotta take care of. One is I want to go out there and check to see if the top has that other red wire on it, because that's going to drive me bonkers. And then we still have something here. I got to check the diagram on the fuse box. Let's go do that. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay, I'm looking for the fuse box, and I have it. So we have a blue drive, which is the left. I wrote it down, blue left. Remember I marked the drives with blue paint and red paint? Okay. Switched output. Another drive, that's the other blue. Red, that's the power. Brown audio, white processor, purple receive. Okay, now the bottom one only shows 2 wires. Why? Both to main switch. Okay, so those both are going to the main switch. What's the other one for? I must have done some updating. See, this is inside that box. This is the main board that you're not seeing right now, but this is the fuse box, or the fuse block, whatever you want to call it, that was inside all that. So there's no way to get to it unless you took everything apart, you know, taking the top off it. In order to get the top off, you have to take the top off Coastie. Okay? And then you have to take the top off of this. And then you have to know what's there to start with. So, and that's what it was. These are the drive wheels I was talking about. Remember I told you I made one blue and one red? And that's what I did. So, because otherwise, what wheel would be what? You know what I mean? Because the plugs, they didn't reverse the plug on one of them. Alright, these are the speakers. These are diagrams that I made up as I went along. And every time I made a move of some sort, I made a change. And here it tells me what they are. These are non-disclosure forms. I stopped giving away shit. going to talk something now, you're going to sign a form. Does that help? Not really, but you can sign the form, and then the next thing you know, you can be talking to a friend of yours saying, well, this is what I was looking at, this is what was going on. Complete core training. Yeah, I did. I completed, what did I complete? Security, Homeland, Department of Homeland Protection, personal information, harassment, civil rights awareness, ethnic. Yeah, I did all that already. Okay. Now, what else is hiding? What else is lurking in here? I think that's it. Okay. That and a lot of paper clips. Alright, so I'm going to have to go through these again. I have them all saved on the computer as well. And there's more than that. I don't know if I put them all in here or not. Yeah, okay, here we go. This is that 32 button, 38 plug that's in there. I had to wire it and trace it. They showed the plug with all the numbers on it, but they didn't tell you what half of them went to. Yeah, this is something else I did. Hey Nick, how you doing, Nick? That's my Nicky. Okay, so there's that one. I just want to make sure everything is in here that I started on. Yeah, here's what I had done. I made a key over here so that they knew what was what as far as it goes. Hey! Hold on a minute, guys. Now where can I put you? Now what am I going to do with you? I don't know. Because you can't do much with you. Oh boy. Low power. Yes, and no cable. No place to plug you in. I thought I had plugs over there, but apparently I don't. And the ones I do have are not going to work. Alright, guess what? You're going to go off for